fatalities climb to 110 following 3 deaths in St. Anne and Trelawney crashes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg. Also this evening, policy being drafted to assist administrators respond to firearms in schools. Education Ministry weighs in. And later, Russian President Vladimir Putin declares brief Easter truce with Ukraine. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.